Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the 10 large and mid-cap stocks which mutual fund bought in the month of October. So mutual funds, like we all know, like RSIPs get executed and the mutual fund houses go ahead and buying stocks. So in the month of October, we're going to see which are stocks in the mid and large cap sector they have bought. Like I have choose only 10 here. They bought many stocks and sold many stocks also. So here I'm going to speak only about the stocks bought by them in the month of October. So we'll get in and see which are those 10 stocks and a quick review of it. So the stock price is as of 26 November 2019. First one in the list is ICICI Lombard General Insurance. Its current share price is 1334 rupees. The 52-week low is 757, whereas the high is 1399. The industry PE is 53, whereas the company PE is 56. The PB is 11. The ROCE is 22, whereas the debt to equity is 0.09. The TTM EPS is 23. The promoter holding is 55%. 6,726 crores has been invested into this stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns we only have 1 year return, which is 67%. And there is no target price here because I'm just telling you all which all stocks mutual funds had bought or raised stake in the month of October. So no target price. Next one on the list is HDFC AMC. Its current share price is 3,500. The 52-week low is 1,350, whereas the high is 3,844. The industry PE is 38, whereas the company PE is 65. The PB is 25. The ROCE is 51, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00, which means there's no debt with this company. The TTM EPS is 55. Promoter holding is 82%. 661 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and written a tremendous return for only 1 year. The stock is into stock market. We have only a return which is 150%. Next one on the list is Bajaj Finserv. Its current share price is 9,199 rupees. The 52-week low is 4,955, whereas the high is 9,220. The industry PE is 38, whereas the company PE is 411. The PB is 46. The ROCE is 14, whereas the debt to equity is 3.84. The TTM EPS is 234. The promoter holding is 60%. 5,178 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. For 1 year, it is given us a return of 59%, for 3 years, 45%, and for 5 years, it is given us a return of 53%. Next one on the list is UltraTech Cement. Its current share price is 4,143 rupees. The 52-week low is 3,260, whereas the high is 4,904. The industry PE is 36.72, whereas the company PE is 36.12. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 10 and the debt to equity is 0.70. The TTM EPS is 116. Promoter holding is 61%. 6,758 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. For 1 year, it is given us a return of 4%, for 3 years, 5%, and for 5 years, it is given us a return of 10%. Next one on the list is HDFC Life Insurance. Its current share price is 600 rupees. The 52-week low is 344, whereas the high is 646. The industry PE is 77, whereas the company PE is 90. The PB is 21. The ROCE is 29, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00, which means there is no debt with this company. The TTM EPS is 6. The promoter holding is 71%. 4,482 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. We only have 1 year return, which is 51%. Next one on the list is Cipla. Its current share price is 487 rupees. The 52-week low is 389, whereas the high is 645. The industry PE is 29, whereas the company PE is 16. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 10, whereas the debt to equity is 0.23. The TTM EPS is 20. Promoter holding is 36%. 5,565 crores has been invested into this stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, the 1, 3, and 5-year returns are in negative. For 1 year, it is given us a return of -6%. For 3 years, -5%. And for 5 years, it is given us a return of -4%. Next one on the list is Godrej Industries. Its current share price is 433 rupees. The 52-week low is 376, whereas the high is 561. The industry PE is 62, whereas the company PE is 20. The PB is 8. The ROCE is 13, whereas the debt to equity is 1.22. The TTM EPS is 23. The promoter holding is 61%. 53 crores has been invested into this stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns. The 1 year return is negative, which is -16%. Though the 3 and 5-year return are positive, it is not that good return. For 3 years, it is given us a return of 5%, and for 5 years, it is given us a return of 8%. Next one on the list is Motilal Oswal Financial Services. Its current share price is 784 rupees. The 52-week low is 489, whereas the high is 855. The industry PE is 38, whereas the company PE is 25. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 11, whereas the debt to equity is 1.43. The TTM EPS is 32. The promoter holding is 69%. Mutual fund investment into the stock is 196 crore, and return for 1 year it is given us a return of 25%, for 3 years 16%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 27%. Next one on the list is 3M India. Its current share price is 22,610. The 52-week low is 16,749, whereas the high is 25,439. The industry PE is 45, whereas the company PE is 75. The PB is 13. The ROCE is 29, whereas the debt to equity is 0.02. The TTM EPS is 298. The promoter holding is 75%. 977 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns. For 1 year, it is given us a return of 8%. For 3 years, 26%. And for 5 years, it is given us a return of 29%. Next one and the last one on the list is Federal Bank. Its current share price is 89 rupees. The 52-week low is 76, whereas the high is 110. The industry PE is 39, whereas the company PE is 11. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 6, whereas the debt to equity is 10. The TTM EPS is 7. The promoter holding is 0. 4,317 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns. For 1 year, it is given us a return of 10%. For 3 years, 8%. And for 5 years, it is given us a return of 4%. So these are the 10 large and mid-cap stocks in which mutual fund had invested or a stake in the month of October. So if at all you want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation from our side. But most of the mutual funds have raised stake in these particular stocks. So I just wanted to inform you all regarding this. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.